To factory reset your Garmin Venu, press and hold the lower button. Then go inside Settings, scroll down to the very bottom until you find System, then scroll down again until you find Reset. So inside Reset you have two options. The first one is Reset Default Settings, which is kind of obvious, and the other one is Delete Data and Reset Settings. So this one, after this clear message, says that it will delete absolutely everything, the data and the settings. So basically your watch will restart like a brand new one, just like when you take it out of the box for the first time. So just hit that check mark over here and then wait. It will take somewhere around 1 minute for your watch to reset, and it will restart like a brand new one. I will fast forward this. So here we are, the watch have restarted just like a brand new one. This is usually the kind of things you will do when you want to sell your watch, or you may try this if your watch hacked weirdly and you just want to try to fully reset it. So I hope this was helpful.